Hi guys, today I'll unbox this PetKit EverSweet Solo SE. It's a pet drinking fountain. Here are some of the features it has. So it uses a wireless pump. It has multi-layer filtration, welling up of water, and it's quiet, easy to clean, and soften and purify water. Yep, so here are some of the product codes and stuff, and here are the cautions, like for indoor use only, and like to turn off the power, make sure not to spill the water, etc. So yeah, I'll just open it up now. Wait, sorry. Sweet. So first we're greeted with the user manual, which, yeah, it just shows you all like the instructions and whatnot. Comes in different languages as well, like the product description, like what comes in it. Sweet. Then you get the actual item. Is there anything else in the box? No. Right. Sweet. And here's the actual PetKit EverSweet Solo. It's got 4 little rubber stands, which is nice. If you open it up, you can see the different layers. Here's the cables and stuff. So I'll open it as well. So you get this. Sorry, I'll just take it out. And here's the base with a USB Type A to connect the product. Let's see. Here we have some styrofoam, and comes with this pump and this outlet pipe. And finally, we have a filter unit. Okay, so I'll assemble it now. Just to let you know, this doesn't come with the power adapter, so you just have a USB connection. First, we get the pump and connect it to the we get the pipe and connect it to the water pump. Put it at the base over here. Then we get the tray, filter tray. Then we open up our filter unit. And just place it on here like so. Then you put the top like that. Right. Then once you connect this, you put the whole thing on top of here, so it'll get some power and start working. Alright, I'll just put some water in it, So I'll just take the top off, take the filter tray, And there are maximum lines like about here, but I'll just fill it up like halfway. Yeah, I'll just do a little bit, Sweet, and I'll put this back. Filter tray. Then the drinking tray. Sweet. Sweet, I'm gonna test it now. So I'll connect it to my power adapter. And you see an LED flashed on the side. Trying it was ready. Wait. So it does have an indicator light. It does flash blue if it has a water shortage, and that happens because I didn't fill it up all the way, but that's fine. But here, as you can see, it's working now.
Pedro, here.